हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के यूजीसी नेट 2012 के क्वेश्चन पेपर 3 के बारे में। द इनिशिएशन, सिलेक्शन, एक्सप्लोरेशन, फॉर्मुलेशन, कलेक्शन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन आर टू स्टेजेस ऑफ विच मॉडल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सीकिंग बिहेवियर, दैट इज कुलतो मॉडल. Jubilee project is associated with what? Evaluation of electronic information services. The publisher of information power building partnership for learning is ALA. In 1974, Churkovsky used for the first time which of the following term? Information literacy. Inference engine. Inference engine is a part of which information system? That is expert system. Which of the following is not related to case study approach in research design? General study. Students visit to library is influenced by the availability of internet. State students visit to library is which kind of variable? That is dependent variable. Ideographic hypothesis is directed towards predicting the behavior of an individual. In the process of reasoning, when we start with a specific statement and conclude to a general statement, it is called as the inductive reasoning. Solomon 4 group design is related to the pre-test post-test control group design. The information network that connects universities and colleges in United Kingdom is known as the JANET. Internet filtering is a form of censorship. Which one of the following is a bulletin board service on internet? That is blog. Virus is a software which can manipulate data, replicate itself, damage computer. Which one of the following protocol is used in the file transfer over the internet? That is FTP, file transfer protocol. Scalar chain shows authority structure. Blair and Barrett evaluation study on retrieval effectiveness of full text search is called as the STATS project. In cataloging, the square brackets are used to enclose information taken from the outside. Which section of AACR2 deals with the serial publication? That is part A, section 12. When two or more basic subjects having same relational approach for form a specific subject, the relation is termed as the phase relation. The concept of stop word list is relevant in the context of keyword indexing. A version of quick augmented with author or name is called as the PADX. Segmentation is associated with the market survey report. State of the art report generally highlights technical aspects. Who propound minimum middling and maximum theories of reference service? Samuel Rusty. Even though xerography is a photocopying method, but it is called as the electrostatic. Coder is concerned with the serials. Roget's International Thesaurus is a classified list of the words. Information about scale and projection can be found in geographical sources. Who of the following is not the author of any reference book? That is Maurice B. Line. Identify the odd one out. That is ESPN. Which of the following is not a part of word treatment in language dictionary? That is gloss. Whether the first MPhil program in library and information science was started in India at the University of the Delhi. Corollary for second law of library science is books for all. Which of the following is not the prerequisite for national information policy? That is production of national bibliography. World Intellectual Property Organization is related to the United Nations. Redundancy of information is unnecessary and should be eliminated. Which source will you consult to know the impact factor of journal publication? That is Web of Science and Scopus. Research is conducted to generate new knowledge, develop a theory and reinterpret existing knowledge. Radio frequency identification is used in library for the circulation of documents and security of the document. BIOS contain BIOS contain footstep program and convert character to code program. Science Citation Index is published by the Thomson Reuters. In the information transfer cycle, internet is acting as the primary publisher, secondary publisher and primary distributor. Methods and technique of human resource planning includes selection and recruitment, induction and placement and performance evaluation. NATIC mandates that you do not NATICs mandate that you do your best to act within the law of cyberspace and society. Failing to respect other people's privacy is bad NATIC. Both are true. A modern integrated library management software offers usually friendly graphical user interface on the web. Reason: almost every model of modern integrated library management software is accessible through the internet. Both are correct. Open system interconnection allows connectivity of ICT components. A is true but R is false. Many libraries have no written collection development policy and yet have sound collection. Reason: demand driven collection play a strong role in having a sound collection. Both are true. Brown charging system is simple and less time consuming. Reason: there is permanent issue record available. A is true but R is false. Collection of audio materials is less used in academic library. Reason: people consider this material intellectual, less sound and fit only for reception purpose. A is true and R is partially true. Introduction of TQM in library is not possible. Reason: it requires open, cooperative culture and employees responsiveness for customer satisfaction. A is false but R is true. An indexing language is an artificial language and it uses control vocabulary. Reason: control vocabulary provides relation between and among the terms. Both are true. Marketing of information product is the need of the day. Reason: information is a resource which consumes a lot of money and time. Both are true. Column classification is an enumerative classification scheme. Reason: column classification has adopted analytico-synthetic approach for the construction of class number. A is false and R is true. Implement provides document delivery service to all types of libraries in India. Reason: modern technology made it possible for electronic transmission of required document. A is wrong but R is true. LIS education in India achieved a landmark of 100 years but quality is compromised. Reason: unplanned proliferation of LIS school and open learning program. Both are true. LIS education is not uniform through India. Reason: adoption of UGC model syllabus is not mandatory. Local LIS requirements vary. Both are true. There is a need for library legislation in all states of India. Reason: to make public library system independent and without political influence. A is true but R is false. Though information is considered as a commodity, libraries are not sound in finances. Reason: all type of libraries have failed in promoting information as a commodity. A is true but R is false. Match the following. Connemara Public Library, Connemara Public Library at the Chennai, Khudabakhsh Oriental Public Library at the Patna, Asiatic Society Library at the Mumbai and National Library at the Kolkata. Match the following IBID for the same reference cited immediately above. LOC.CIT, the same place cited. OP.CIT for the C. Wide of CIT for the previously cited and wide for the C. Match the following. Match the following. Code and ILS. Statistical analysis. Hume, statistical bibliography. Pritchard, bibliometric. T. Brown, cytometric. Match the following. Thurston scale. Group of judges. Semantic references scale. Selection from two opposite positions. Likert scale. Intensity structure. Sociometric scale. Sharing individual references in a group. Match the following. Vidyanidhi, electronic thesis and dissertation. TKDL, digital archive. DOAJ, digital library of the journals. ePrints, institutional repository. Match the following. HTML file, that is web format. PDF file, that is text format. JPG file, image format, and AVI file, film format. What the following. Drupal is content management software. Moodle is the learning management software. DSpace is the digital library software, and NewsGenLib integrated library management software. Match the following. Facebook, it is a social networking site, and ResearchGate, academic networking site. OWU, video networking site. Flickr, photo networking site. Match the following. Small set of dependent activities that form longest path of activity network. Delegating the customer by fully meeting their needs. PERT, making better forecast, judgment and advice. CPM, answer is not available. Okay. DELPI, interconnecting networks, depicting task, duration and dependency. Match the following. Transaction processing, clerical staff, operational control, lower level managers, management control, middle level manager, strategic planning, top level manager. Match the following. Classical school, Henry Boyle. X and Y theory, Douglas MacGeorge. Newer charging system, John Wharton Dana. MBO, Peter Drucker. Match the following. CA Cutter, synthetic cataloging. Kaiser, concrete and process. J.R. Sharp, selective listing. DJ Coates, think para material action. Think par material action. Match the following. Guidance to use RTI Act. Directing the user of implement to seek needed information. Orientation in use of the multimedia, that is information literacy. Providing with list of information, that is documentation service. The D, sorry. For guiding to use RTI Act, answer is not available here. For directing the user of implement to seek the need information, that is referral service. Match the following. Four. Whitaker's Almanac, astronomical information. Earliest international periodicals directory, year of starting publisher weekly. National Union Catalog of Scientific Serials in India, that is availability of B50 of Library Journal. Data India, information on discontinuation of New Encyclopedia Britannica. Match the following. J. Thompson for planning of academic and research building. S. Halkett of J. Lane, Dictionary of Anonyms and Pseudonyms Literature. William A. Katz, Introduction to Reference Work. K. D. Metcalf, Basic Statistics for Libraries. Match the following. Budget prepared using previous period budget, incremental budget, budget based on norms and standard, that is a formula budget, budget plan, integrating number of techniques, that is a planning program, budgeting system, budget prepared identify current tasks independent of the previous year, that is zero based budget. Thank you.